Hello, good day. So I'll be showing you my stock scanner. So for this file, I'm using data from PSE, or the Philippine Stocks Exchange. So I'm a retail trader, and then since trading deals with a lot of data, so I created my own scanner. So my scanner involves three different files. So the first file is the raw data. So this raw data is from the PSE site, and then it is actually in PDF, but um, I've downloaded and installed an EBOT file that can turn it into CSV. So this is how it looks. So as you can see, it's just data, and then from here I copy this entire columns and our table, and then paste into my terminal file. So the terminal file is where the data is being cleansed or updated. So the new sheet, so I paste the new data from PSA. So for this one is it's from March 15. So I've actually already updated this one. So let's just try paste. Okay, sorry. Control, just so that format will not be changed. So there, and then from that I recorded a macro wherein it will transfer this data, and it transposed it into this format. So it is in the raw data. So it is with a hidden formula, and I can show you. It's actually just recorded this one, terminal, a paste terminal, sorry, and then you can edit. This one are just recorded, and then yes, macro for fast, since I'm doing this every day, since changing of data is daily. Then just by clicking this one, for example, it will copy the new data into the column G. Hang on. So as you can see, it was copied, but since I've already done it yesterday or earlier this morning, so it's duplicated, so this one is unnecessary anymore. And then this one is the terminal, wherein from the raw data I've gathered different data, or turn it into different data, like get the value for the close to or the previous day, the maximum value for 10 days. So this is also used with formula. So for it to be dynamic, I use the index function and then match. So this actually is from below, from the side datas. You can see if I click this one, this is also recorded, and then it will solve the formula so that it can be pasted here, or it can be updated here. That's one, so you can see. And then here is the paste raw, this one. Then after turning the data into this format, I would copy this one, and then paste it into my screener. So there's a terminal sheet here, so copy and then paste there. So in this one you can see added formulas for the scanner, like RT pertains to real-time price, real-time value, since I'm actually using it to update real-time. Then also I have this one is from the JSON or the database file, so this is actually pulled from the web. This one, this is from physics website. Okay, this. So during trading hours, so I can just click the button here, update, and then it will automatically update the table wherein it is the basis for the formulas that I've been using. So as you can see, I also applied macro here. It's just recorded. So for this one, if I choose filter, I can delete by clicking clear. And then also I have buttons that are specific for the filter, like for this one, breakout. Since I'm using it most of the time, so I created a button. And then in the terminal file, but for this one, so that I can create a filter, I added it here. So what it actually does is, I have a number here, and then this column is for the number rank. Then it will rank the values that are stated in this this one, the AE column. And then this one is actually dynamic also. So like for this one, DRB price can actually choose the value, or like for example the dip or the percentage drawdown. So how does it work? So for this one, each column here is like I added an OR function wherein if condition for example for AF2 is met, AF2, like for example DRB value, let's say DRB value is the amount in pesos. So let's say if I choose a DRB value of 1 million, or let's say bigger, so let's say 100 million. So every stock that has a value of greater, for this one, greater than 100 million, so it will display. For example, for Ali, since it has a value of more than 100 million, so for this one is 215 million, so the condition was met, and then it will be displayed. And then if it's not 100 million, so like for example AC, let's say we remove it first, sorry, let's say AC. So for AC it was only, wait, since AC is only 66 million, so AAB AGI also did not show, since it is below 100 million. So that's how it works. And then the